Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aarti. Today's video, I'm really excited to be filming it. You guys know already by the title. It's the unboxing of my new phone. So let's get started. A little context before getting into the phone and all of that. Personally, today as we speak, I've been using the OnePlus 6T. Now this, I've been using it for about 2 years. I'm going to say 2.5 years by now, and I really like this phone. It's not like I do not like it, but I'm going to show you guys. This is the case, so I'm just going to show you guys. It kind of cracked behind, and I've used it so much that the power button is completely inside. It's like completely swelled down. And another most important thing for me to actually make the major change from this phone to my new phone is whenever I'm filming my Instagram reels, this phone kind of gives up on me. I don't know why, I don't know how it happens, but it kind of crashes down and my phone heats up so bad. And there are some reels that I filmed multiple times just because my phone crashed. And so that was the reason I decided to like move from my OnePlus 6T to some other phone. I did have other options. That was my case, but yeah, anyways, I did however see other options as well, but I went ahead, took the leap and bought myself an iPhone. I got this one. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max 128GB. Oh my god. So apparently the score now is Aarti's 1 and my bank balance is 0. My bank balance is not happy about the purchase. This decision to buy this phone has been such a impulsive yet a decided decision. It took me so long to accept the fact that I'm going to buy this, or even make up my mind for all of this and save money to buy this. That is one of the biggest things that I had to do for myself. I'm so sorry, I'm throwing everything down, but I am so happy that I went ahead, took the leap and I bought this. I've been using, it's been about 3 days that I got it. I got it on my brother's birthday, that is on February 19th. So usually I have a habit of buying things on specific dates, so I remember. So even the OnePlus, I got it on November 2nd, that's my dad's birthday. So that is how I kind of remember how many years continuously it's been happening. But yeah, it's been about 2 to 3 days and I'm loving this. And also another thing I want to talk to you guys, I'll get into the details later. But just look at this, this is so pretty. I'm going to show you guys. So basically, I've been using it, so I took out the iPhone out of the box. But I'm going to show you guys, it literally comes with nothing except a wire and the SIM ejector apart from the phone. And are you guys ready? Here's the phone. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am in love with this. I do not know. I just cannot fathom the fact that I'm still catching it. This is my first ever iPhone and it's been such a big and a crazy journey until now. I've saved up. There were many instances, like last year I wanted to actually buy the iPhone. I wanted to take the leap and buy the iPhone 11. But I was too late by then and there were already leaks about the iPhone 12. So I just took a back step. And I had to I did not think about anything else. I had to go. I personally did not go for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I went for the 12, but the sizing was an issue for me. So the 12 is probably 6 inches if I'm not wrong. 6, the inches are 6 if I'm not wrong. But this is around 6.4 or 6.5 or something like that. So this is 6.7. So it's I wanted something with this size. So I got this one, and I could have actually gotten the 12 Pro as well, but I did not find any difference between 12 and 12 Pro. So I went ahead and I took the leap and I bought the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I'm so happy that I did so. So yeah, I wanted to share with you guys this little thing. This video is in no way, shape or form that I'm showing off. It took me a long time to prioritize this. There were so many things that I had to thing. I had to calculate and I had to save up a lot of money. So this is not a small thing for me at least, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I feel and how I feel about. Apart from this, I wanted to get a case, but I'm not gonna put 5,000, 6,000 rupees into an Apple case. So I went ahead to my local store and I got this one. So I'm just gonna put it right here so that you guys can see how it is. And this is how it looks like. It's a perfect pure black kind of a case, and that is how it looks like. I'm gonna share a photograph with the same lighting with both my phones, the old phone as well as the new phone, right on my screen right now, so that you guys can see the difference. This was one of the much needed upgrades, and I'm so happy about this. And yeah, just keep thinking positive. This is just my way of sharing my life with you guys. I didn't want to create a vlog as well when I'm buying it, but trust me, that video would have been such haywire because things in my life don't go as planned. It kind of has so much chaos that I cannot cut it out. So that is why I wanted to do a sit down video and show you guys. However, I did anyways create a reel and also a short, so go ahead and check it out. I will post it on my screen right now so that you guys can see it. But yeah, I bought myself an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I know that this is gonna last for a long time, and I feel like I can create good content with this now. So I don't have any excuses anymore. So yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.